The world of agriculture and food stands at a crossroads. Our global food system faces an unprecedented challenge. The growing impact of climate change disrupts food availability, threatening global food security. Over half of the world's produce is not profitable, and a third of what we grow goes to waste each year. The traditional methods of producing, selling, and transporting food are no longer sustainable. In this complex supply chain journey from farmer to consumer, countless stakeholders play their part. Yet, less than 1% of trade documents are digitized, burdening the process with inefficiencies. Outdated data systems hinder real-time decision-making and lead to preventable mistakes. This messy middle of our food supply chain leads to miscommunications, inefficiencies, and waste. Introducing DiMuto, the beacon of change in global agri-food trade. Imagine a world where agri-food companies can easily see everything that they need to know about what they are buying, moving, and selling with just one click of a button, where they can get accurate data analytics to make better, more efficient, and sustainable decisions. Our digital transformation solutions replace outdated methods by integrating data from the whole chain onto a single highway of information, illuminating visibility at each step. With this deeper level of digital connectivity, DiMuto creates an ecosystem of traceable food buyers and suppliers, fostering greater trust and visibility for everyone involved. This visibility empowers climate-positive actions, transforming agriculture practices and entire food systems, powering the way food moves across borders with greater efficiency, transparency, and sustainability. Through technology, data, and AI, we revolutionize food systems for a greener future. Together, we can create a future where food security, nutrition, and sustainability thrive for all. DiMuto, AgriTrade, Redefined.